In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create this painting of a castle on a cliff with trees, mountains, and the clouds using photobashing, painting with some painting over it to make it look painterly, and starting all with a couple of photographs. So what we do in here is that this is a picture, and then the trees are another picture, the mountains are another picture, and the sky is another picture, right? But then we paint over it and it looks painterly. This is kind of like, I know the painting is not the oh, maybe it's not the most amazing thing, but I think it's decent enough to have in someone's portfolio, right? Like if I see someone who can do this, I could hire them to do backgrounds for the video game we're working on, or for artwork in our website, right? So this is what we want to achieve, and it's not that hard. Now, some of the techniques might take some time for you if you're totally new to this, if you have no experience. Maybe some techniques are going to be a tiny bit hard to master at the beginning, but as you try again and try again, you should be able to get some feedback somehow and then be able to improve, right? Okay, so let's get started. The way this all starts is with some research on images. I don't like to spend too much time on something, right? And I don't like the blank canvas syndrome, like what should I do? Instead, I always go for research and inspiration, right? So this is what inspired me. I went to ArtStation, and after doing, let me show you how you do that. Here you go to artstation.com and I can type castle. That's all I have in my head. Like, I want to do a castle. And then, ooh, I start seeing, like, I could do this, right? Like, ooh, this looks really cool. Dragons and everything. Wow. Okay, so after searching for a bit, I came up with this. I really like the painting and everything in here. So this is going to be the reference. If you want the actual links, I'm posting these links below this video, so you can click on them, and this is the castle reference, so you can go right at it. And so let's start getting the elements. To get the elements, I go to pexels.com and then type castle, right? And then from all of those, I start selecting one. Like I could do this castle, for example, right? And then maybe take a couple of images, save them, and get some ideas. And the one that I liked is this one, like having a castle with trees, right? But it was not exactly that one. It was another picture. So the actual pictures that I took, by the way, I invest like a ton of time. This one also looks pretty cool, but I invested like maybe half an hour just enjoying myself checking castles. And this is the castle that I want to use. That will be on this cliff, right? With all those trees. And I'm going to use also those mountains and use this sky. So you put all of them together with some painting and you get this, right? How do we get from those pictures to here? Okay, well, that's what we are going to be seeing in this tutorial. This is going to be like a tutorial series that right now, this is the end of this video. We're going to continue on the next one, where we bring on those images into Photoshop and then continue from there. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. I'm posting all the whole tutorial series in one day, so you can check the next video right after you finish this one. Okay, see you in the next video.